Hey guys, and welcome to FreeTechTV, where we review everything tech. I'm Austin, and technology enthusiast, and so glad you're here to join us today. Happy holiday season's greetings. I know it's been a little bit since I posted a video, but we are back to the weekly schedule, so we'll try and get 2 to 3 videos out a week. If you have any questions or comments or recommendations, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about budget laptops, and being the holiday season, if you're out shopping for a laptop either for yourself or for somebody else as a gift, as it is the season of giving, these are some specs that you want to look out for in a budget laptop. What I consider to be a budget laptop is any laptop that is going to be priced under $400. So this is going to be getting the best experience that you're going to want. So we'll go over the specifications that will get that to you. So here we just have an example model, but this is going to be a HP laptop. This isn't too thin. It is decently light, but it does have a strong build, and that is important if you're a student, you're taking a laptop class to class. You want to be able to take a pretty good beating and still look relatively good and not get any scratches or wear down quickly. So you certainly want something that feels pretty sturdy, and this certainly does. So with this 14-inch laptop, what you can get for under $400, and this is just basic pricing, whether you're looking at Best Buy or Amazon. But you're going to want a solid state drive. Solid state drive you can either get for a budget laptop, 128 or 256 gigabyte solid state drive. If you're just doing basic stuff online, running Word, you may just want to stick with the 128, and that'll get you by just fine. A lot of laptops also include an SD card slot reader as well, so you can utilize that if you're looking to expand your storage there. Next is going to be RAM. If you're just doing basic Word, searching online, running Google Chrome, and you're not running any intense applications, you can stick with the base, which seems to be 4 gigabytes across the board, but you can find decent price laptops anywhere between 4 and 8 gigabytes. If you're doing any kind of multitasking, it's cheap enough just to get the 8 gigabytes of RAM inside, so you may want to do that just so you have the extra availability when necessary to have. Next on the list, an important subject, is going to be the processor. We're going to be sticking with Intel in this video, but I know there is AMD processors out there as well that do certainly compare. For a budget laptop, you're going to be wanting to stick with an Intel i5 processor, usually 8th generation or newer. That just gives you the most updated specs and will give you the fastest and smoothest user experience, especially if you're running Windows 10 operating system. i3, the price difference between the i3 and i5 is not that great, and that is why I would always recommend getting at least the i5. So if you're doing anything out of the ordinary, you at least have that extra power to still give you that smooth and easy user experience there. One other thing to look out for is, of course, ports on a laptop. You want a laptop with a decent amount of ports, whether you have like a mouse or a keyboard, or you want the availability to charge your phone. It's always nice and convenient to have some extra USB ports on hand. And with that, those are just basic items that you're going to want to look for this holiday season if you're shopping for a budget laptop. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays to all of you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And also stay tuned for giveaways. We're going to start doing some giveaways here. So excited about that and looking forward to it. So you guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.